Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to see how to make a slime with 3 ingredients. Take a bowl and pour some Fevicol in that and add some 2 tablespoons of baking soda and mix it well. Then add some water. Then mix it well. Then keep it in freezer for 10 to 20 minutes. After keeping in freezer for 10 minutes, remove that water from the slime. After removing, our slime is ready. Keep it in an airtight container and store it carefully, or else it will become like stone.